Alright, hi guys. Like I said, Monday, Ride Monday. Yeah, I'm just logging on for the first time, and it seems like it's lagging a lot. Oh, okay, let's take a look and look around. Yep, first time logging on. Ooh, 100, that's lucky. Okay, let's see. Nobody's online. Okay, let's check here. And then look around. Okay, that was easy. Today's Ride on Monday is the rare gardening hat, I guess. I don't really want it. Eesh. It's just kinda ish to me. Kinda wanna be this. Yeah. So Ride on Monday. And usually when they do Ride on Mondays, they don't really make anything they don't really make any new items. So, yeah. Just in case, we can go and look in here. Yeah, nothing new. Actually, I need to buy that because I have my little Valentine's den going on. Yeah. Oh, did not know that was unlocked. Okay, where is it? I know, Christmas den. That's getting decorated like it's Valentine's Day. Pretty cool. Okay. So yeah, as you can see, it's like Valentine's Day-y. Okay, so I need to buy that. Put that there or something. Yeah, like that there. Okay. Put another one of these. No idea why I have that, but it's pink, so I guess I can put it right there. Okay. So yeah, very short video only because the Monday Rare is right there. Hold on one second, everybody. I'm gonna pause and I'm gonna widen out my screen. So yeah. Alright guys, I am back. Yeah, I widened out my screen. 3 subs. Pretty happy about that. I don't know why I posted that, I just did. And trade me on chicken smoothie because I'm kind of bored. I don't know. It's nothing new, really. So yeah, guys, very short video. Don't forget to comment, and subscribe. As always, I am XDAJ, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye.